Claude Code or the Claude Excel Plugin, which one do you actually need? If you work in finance and you've heard of both, you're probably confused. I'm going to break down exactly when to use each one. I'm Juan from Watermelon AI. Quick context, we were the first channel to use Claude Code as a financial modeling tool. Go check the dates on our videos, audit me. We introduced this use case and others followed, so I've been deep in both tools. Let's start with Claude Code. This tool was originally built for software developers. It lives in your terminal or your IDE. Basically, it's for the nerds who live in code. It helps them code faster and not worry about the grunt work that junior developers usually handle. But here's what happened. Anthropic saw people using it for way more than coding: vacation research, slide decks, organizing files, and financial modeling. What can it do now? Honestly, it can be your chief technology officer. It connects to the world, APIs, databases, the web. It can navigate around your files, create folders, move things, and build entire systems. For Excel specifically, it wasn't perfect at first. There was formula linking issues. Maybe 10% of the time something would break. But now it's really good. You can drag and drop documents directly into your terminal. So you can drag and drop PDFs, Excel files, whatever you need for context. One thing to know, memory resets between sessions. Unlike Claude Desktop or the web version, it doesn't remember your past conversations. But you can give it memory by updating a file called claude.md. Basically instructions it reads every time it starts up. This tool has already displaced a lot of jobs in tech. That's not speculation. That's what's happening and has happened. Now, the Claude Excel plugin, this one lives inside Excel. It was designed by working directly with investment banking reps, private equity guys, and other high finance professionals. So it speaks our language. Here's what makes it different from other Excel plugins you've used. There are no buttons, no drop-down menus, no click here to format this. You just tell it what to do. It's Claude, but inside Excel, and it can move around and navigate its environment. You want it to audit your DCF? Just ask. You want it to build a sensitivity table? Tell it. You can drag and drop files here too. PDFs, supporting documents, whatever context it needs to do the job. Same limitation though, it doesn't hold memory outside of the existing chat. You close Excel, start a new session, and it's a blank slate. The power here is that it understands the Excel environment natively. It's not translating between code and spreadsheet. It's already there. So when do you use each one? Use Claude Code when you're building something from scratch, a full model, a system, an automation. You need to touch multiple files or create new ones. You want it working across your whole computer, not just one spreadsheet. You're comfortable with the terminal or you're willing to learn. And use the Excel plugin when you're already inside a workbook and need help with that specific file. Or you want quick audits, formula checks, and explanations. You're not technical and you don't want to touch the terminal because it's scary. You need to drag in a PDF and have it pull data into your existing model. Honestly, power users will use both. Claude Code for the heavy lifting and the building, and the Excel plugin for quick checks and working inside existing files. If you want to see either one of these in action on real financial models, I've got tutorials on this channel, so subscribe if you're in finance and you actually use AI to get work done faster. I'll see you on the next one.